Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to part 3 of this FTMO challenge, the 100k FTMO challenge, traded live. So if you haven't already, check out part 1 and part 2. Part 2 I came so close to passing about 7 times. Super frustrating, but it is what it is. So looking at this FTMO, just refresh it a sec. Yeah, so we're at about 6.9 at the moment. So not too far away. I've got 2 trades on, which I'm going to run over right now. So the first one is GC, simple third touch trend line and a key level 1.71 as you can see in the right hand corner. So GC works really well with trend lines, so you normally see a bounce on the third touch with GC. Well, you normally see it on a lot of pairs, but GC reacts really well with trend lines. And the second trade I got on, which is currently in drawdown, which is this break retest of this trend line. So this is a daily time frame. You can see we have the 200 EMA there as well. If you go out to the weekly time frame, from this move up you got the 23% fib as well, and a couple EMAs there on the weekly time frame. So pretty good setup, but yeah, running about 14 pips drawdown so far. Running a 30 pip stop loss on this, so I'm not going to put TP to break even. I'm just going to leave it. It's either stop loss or TP for this one. TP being about 43 pips, so about 1.5 risk to reward, so not too bad. But yeah guys, let's see if we can pass this in part 3, because I don't really want to be doing a part 4. So yeah, it's the 29th of September, Wednesday. Part 2 just went live like a couple hours ago. So yeah, just carrying on this challenge from here. Like I say, hopefully I don't have to do another part. Hopefully this one is going to be the one where I pass. But yeah, 2 trades on guys. I'm just going to leave it. So I'm just going to record my phone and show the MT4. So this is the FTMO challenge. Got 2 trades on so far, sitting about 6.9%. So this GC trade's actually hit TP1, running about 30 pips profit so far, and I've got a stop loss to BE, so that trade's risk free. But you can see this one here is running about minus 12, 13 pips. So yeah, just going to leave these guys. Hopefully we can get something going on these trades, but yeah, I'll check back in soon. What's up guys? So Thursday morning, 10:25 AM. Excuse the noise if you can hear that. We're having a bit of work done. So I had a couple trades trigger overnight. So I'm in a couple new trades now. This is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. So from this high here to this low, simple 38 fib with this wick over here. You can also see the 14 EMA there if I just clear this off. So 3 confidences here. We've got the key level 1.05 as a backup. As you can see there, my stop loss just above that. So 36 pip stop loss, TP looking at about 57 pips. And the other trade that I've been triggered into, New Zealand dollar CAD again. So I had a couple trades on this recently. You can see a simple trendline crossover. So you could say this is the third touch here. So this is 0.1. I'm counting this as all 0.2. Obviously you got the break and retest of this trendline here. 0.1, 0.2 broke out. And you got a key level going through here with these wicks. So 3 confidences there. 37 pip stop loss. And this is the New Zealand dollar Swiss trade that I had on. Ended up taking a minus 400 loss on this one, but I would have been able to get out BE. Because my entry was at 32, I believe. So yeah, it would have come out, took me back out of BE, but yeah, we had a horrible close here. You can see it broke through all confidences on the daily candle. So I wanted to get out of this trade really. But yeah, the FTMO, let's just refresh it. About 7.2% at the moment. So I'll just show the MT4 as well. So yeah, 2 trades, pretty much both at BE at the moment. Getting close to Euro USD actually, 16, 17 pips away. But yeah, just going to leave these and let's see what happens. So just been triggered into this Euro USD trade, as you can see on my MT4. So I've got 3 trades live now. I'm probably going to end up cancelling these 2 pendings. That one there is not that far away, just like 18 pips or so. So I don't really want 4 trades on at one time. 3's enough, to be honest. But yeah, the analysis on some of these trades I've had on for weeks. This Euro USD trade, I've been looking at this area for like 2 weeks, so I'm not over trading. They just got triggered at all the same time. But as you can see from this, starting from this low here, because if you start here and you put a fib there, it's retraceable than the 61.8, so you've got to start at the next low, which is this one here. You put a fib up to this high. You can see we've got the 50% here, which also lines up with this 200 SMA. And you've got this wick here, so pretty good key level as well. Just have a look at the monthly. I'm not sure if there's anything on the monthly. Nah, no EMAs on the monthly. None on the daily either. So trade based purely off the weekly time frame. 3 confidences in this area. So yeah, running at B at the moment on this trade. Running a 40 pip stop loss. Got TP at 6.5. So 70 pips, but I'll probably take partials at 35, 40 pips or so. So yeah, 3 trades on, guys. Sitting at 7.5%. Hopefully we can make the 2.5% on these 3 trades and have this done with, but haven't had much luck lately, so let's just see what happens. So approaching 2 p.m. now. Just a quick update. This New Zealand dollar CAD trade running 20 pips up nearly so far. This Euro USD trade running about 9 pips profit, and this Australian dollar New Zealand dollar trade, it's at B at the moment. It did go about 10 pips profit, I believe. Yeah, right about 10 pips profit now, back to BE. So sitting about 1700 away at the moment. Like I say, 1700 across 3 trades is absolutely nothing, so looking to try and pass this, but yeah, not going to get my hopes up. Just going to take it easy and take some profit when I need to, and try and get these trades to BE, so stop loss to break even, so they're risk free, and then try and get some runners. But yeah, 2 o'clock nearly, 4-hour candle close in a minute, so yeah, let's see what happens. What's up, guys? So Friday afternoon, 12:30. Ended up closing Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar last night, as you can see on my NT4, for about 3 or 4 pips profit. Didn't really want to be holding these 3 trades overnight, because I'll probably come pretty close to my daily loss limit. So daily loss limit's 5%, and I'm risking like 1.5% a trade. So if any of them had slippage, then that'd be it. So just playing it safe. But yeah, still in these 2 trades. Euro USD sitting about 15 pips profit. It's literally hardly moving, to be honest. Go down to the 4H. Pretty much see we've been ranging the last like 24 hours or so. So yeah, a bit of a boring trade there, but I'm going to hold this. It's either going to TP today, or I'm going to hold it over the weekend. And the same with my other trade that I got on as well, which is this one here. So 23 pips profit, approaching TP1 really. So TP1's about 8.7, which is about here. So another 20 pips or so, and then that'll be TP1. We'll take some profit. FTMO is running about 8.7%. So yeah, not too bad, to be honest. Pretty close, but still got loads of time really. 13th of October. So I've got next week, and then I believe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday the week after. So if we manage to TP on any of these trades today, I'll pick up the camera again. But if not, like I said, I'm just going to leave these trades on over the weekend, and I'll check back in Sunday. But yeah, let's see what happens. So guys, I just wanted to address something quickly, which is this max daily loss, which is like 4.2%, nearly hit it. And I haven't even come close to the max daily loss, even with the equity as well. I actually had this happen to me before on a challenge. It actually breached the limit. So I messaged them and said I haven't even come close. I think I come to like 2,500 on my last challenge. And I messaged them and they looked into it and they reverted it. But yeah, I'm not that bothered because it hasn't breached it. But it should say about I think the max daily loss limit that I've come to with equity is about 1,800. So yeah, a bit annoying how it's showing this 4.2 when I haven't even come close, like I said. I did send them a ticket, but I guess they haven't looked at it yet or anything, but I was hoping they'd get it changed. Slowly creeping up to that 10 grand. You see, just over a grand to go. But yeah, guys, 1 o'clock, still got 9 hours left before the markets close. Let's see if we can make this 1% and have done with it, but if not, like I said, I'm just going to hold them over the weekend and check back in Sunday if not. What is up, guys? 11:30 on Sunday, so markets are now open. Ended up holding the trades over the weekend, so sitting about 700 away. So Euro USD pushing up here, pretty close to my full TP, about 12 pips away or so. And still got this New Zealand dollar CAD trade on, which is about 24 pips profit or so. So yeah, guys, just going to leave these two trades on. Hopefully can make the 650, which I'm away now, and get to 10k. Been a bit of a pain in the ass, this challenge, really. Been back and forward like loads of times. I think on Friday I got like 300 away a couple of times, and the other week I got like 200 away like 7 times. But it's all part of the game, I guess. But yeah, let's see what happens overnight, and I'll check back in the morning. So about 60 away or so now. See if we can get this. So I want this about 1,520 just to be safe. Come on, 40 away. 40 away. Literally 40 away. So yeah, it looks like a repeat of part 2 again at the moment. Sitting about 380 away again. So come about $20-$30 away. Tried to close the trade as it got over 10k, but didn't quite get there. Literally like a pip away, I think, overall. But yeah, 350 away again now, which is frustrating. But just gonna keep an eye on this, guys. It don't help because I'm just literally just sat here watching it because I'm trying to get it on video, but it's probably the worst thing to do. What I might do really is I might close one trade and set a TP on the other so it's over 10k. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Guys, so an hour or so went by, quarter to midday now. Ended up getting in the shower and that, and I had a look at my phone. I was literally like 100 away. So I was trying to wash my hair and keep an eye on the trades at the same time. But ended up closing the trades just over 10k, which I recorded my phone, so I'll show you that now. So yeah, got this pass, guys. Let's just refresh it. There it is, $14 over. So done it in 10 trading days. Obviously this max daily loss is still glitched. They said they're looking into this. They forwarded on my ticket, but obviously it don't matter now because we passed it anyway, so not bothered about it anymore. But yeah, guys, this is the stats. Obviously it's not very accurate because if you close a trade at break even, obviously that affects your risk to reward and your win rate. But saying here, 70% win rate, just over 1-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah, 40 trades apparently, but I set multiple positions of trades, so I think it's about 16, 17 trades. Now I could have done like 2 or 3 trades, 3% risk, and passed it like within the first week. But yeah, I wanted to do it over like a decent amount of trades just to show that I didn't do it by luck really. So that's why I've done it over 16, 17 trades or so and done 1.5% risk a trade. But yeah, these are all the trades. A few losses in there, but the wins outweigh the losses, so it doesn't really matter. Buy and sell, 5.6, pretty much the same really. And obviously all this doesn't matter in theory. But yeah, guys, I thought this would be a cool video. Obviously this is the end of this video now. We've done this challenge. I probably won't record the verification. For those of you that don't know, for the verification, so this is the step I go on to now. I've got to make 5 grand in 60 days, which is 40 trading days. So it's twice as easy, so it doesn't really make sense to record it really. But yeah, guys, I'm going to keep the videos coming. I might do some analysis on Sunday and upload it and show my top picks for the coming week or so, or I might do another 100k, I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.